Aspiron's carpet cleaner machine truly lives up to its promise of being an all-in-one solution for tackling stains on various surfaces. The inclusion of two specialized cleaning tools adds a versatile touch to its functionality. The 6.5-inch wide path tool is a game-changer when dealing with large stains, making quick work of spills and messes. On the other hand, the 3.5-inch tough stain tool proves invaluable for those stubborn, hard-to-remove blemishes, ensuring no spot is left untreated. One of the standout features is its impressive suction power of at least 11 kilopascals, specifically designed to combat pet stains. As a pet owner, having a machine that effortlessly eradicates paw prints and stubborn pet stains from carpets is a blessing. It leaves your carpets looking immaculately clean, creating a pet-friendly environment without the worry of lingering odors or unsightly stains. What sets this carpet cleaner apart is its adaptability to various fabrics. It's not just limited to carpets, it's equally effective on fabric sofas, mattresses, car seats, cushions, curtains, tablecloths, plush toys, and more. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any household, offering a comprehensive solution for various cleaning needs. The lightweight and portable design enhances its practicality. Easy to carry around the house or even into your car, this compact cleaner ensures that stains don't stand a chance, no matter where they occur. Its low profile also means it won't take up much space when stored, making it a convenient and space-efficient solution for homes of all sizes. The inclusion of a big dirty water tank is a thoughtful touch. The twin tanks effectively separate clean and dirty water, and the large capacity of the dirty water tank means less frequent emptying. The wide opening makes the cleaning process hassle-free, adding to the overall user-friendly experience. In conclusion, Aspiron's carpet cleaner machine with its two versatile cleaning tools, powerful suction, fabric-friendly capabilities, portability, and efficient water tank design, stands out as a reliable and effective solution for keeping your living spaces spotless. It's a must-have for pet owners and anyone looking for a versatile and user-friendly carpet cleaner.